Welcome back into another video. Today we are looking at Pepe coin, everyone's favorite frog meme coin out here in the crypto space. So we've had a little bit of a pullback on the 24 hours. As we can see, the price has come down just a little bit for meme coins overall as we are entering a parabolic alt season phase. It is normal to see volatility around this particular period. Now going back in time, you can see multiple times it's happened in 2022, in 2021, where we really stay above the 75 level on the alt season index. So if we can do this, we can see a prolonged pump for altcoins and meme coins. Now I want to talk about Pepe very quickly. You can see Pepe is now 0.00002. It's clinging on to that psychological support level, a big support barrier. It did climb up to $9.65 billion on the market capital, so fantastic all-time high. And hopefully this is just a small retracement before we see some continuation in the market. When you look at most of the larger coins today, like PopCap, BONK, Pepe, Doge, they are taking a small retracement. This could just be something that is designed to shake out new buyers, and we could still see some continuation here. But of course, with the markets being this hot, we can also still see the prices go down a bit. So of course, if you're looking to obtain some Pepe coin or you want to trade it on leverage, you can use KSEX. This exchange has the lowest fees in the entire crypto market. The link is right down below there. You can trade tons of coins, loads of pairs here, loads of memes, no KYC, and globally accessible. So yeah, guys, I'm very excited to see what could happen with Pepe coin right here. First things first, just want to say huge congrats to all of the new patrons. If you're looking to make more money in this market, check on my Patreon group down below. We've only got a couple slots remaining here, but you guys are not only winning with all the trading signals that we're dropping into my Discord for the VIPs, getting closer and closer to that financial freedom. You can see some people making some incredible wins. You also had that insane opportunity with the 888 token, which is absolutely flying. I got my Discord in down below here. The VIPs are down at 0.02, so they are up literally at 10x right here. And you can see on the Discord is the 888 channel, which is this one right here, the sub thread for 888. So if you don't want to miss out on some humongous opportunities and gains in the crypto market, then please do check out my Discord, check out my Patreon, as this is where most of the money can potentially be made. So yeah, let's go back to Pepe quickly. So we can see now retesting this critical level of support at the 0.000193. We don't really want to fall below this, in my opinion. You can see from this 175 region, it's correcting perfectly on the 0.618 Fibonacci. If we can just hover around here for a bit, chill here for a bit, it could be really poising for that next sort of set up to the upside. And personally, if we do break out again, we could get continuation through to the 2.9 region. Now that's when things would be extremely hot, very parabolic, and the whole market would just be probably quite overheated by then. But it could be a possibility. We can see here with this website, they think the end of year momentum, the projected high is 0.000015. So these numbers are absolutely wrong, as we can see. I reckon they actually missed out some zeros. They're probably meant to remove a couple zeros there, but it could be a possibility that, you know, if we remove the zeros, 0.000115, that might be something that could happen, because that's a 5x from here, looking at $30 to $40 billion market capital by February or March. In my opinion, that's something that could actually be a possibility. Can Pepe get up to the level of Doge and Shiba Inu? Well, they've already proved that coins can, so there's no reason why in the future Pepe doesn't get to that particular level. Of course, it's overcooked, it's a little bit hot. It's just now tapped into a 70 relative strength index territory, which does show it's a little bit overbought. And you can see it's very heavily now above this yellow line, which is that RSI 14-day close. So each time it gets overextended from that yellow line, as you see there, usually you do get a cool down period at some point, and you will inevitably go back through the yellow line at some point in the future as well. So we don't know when that will be, of course, but just keep your eyes peeled on it and try not to FOMO massively in the markets, but try and have at least a strategy to follow. It could be that you're a shark and you want to get in and out quickly. Pepe also, US fans of Pepe and Solana at your time. Pepe and Solana are now both available on Bitstamp USA, so there's a bit of news as well. Pepe getting more popular in the USA and globally at the same time. So really, really good to see this. Fear and greed index-wise, we can see we're sitting at 80 at the moment. And of course, like I said, we are now moving away from that Bitcoin season, and we're very heavily in an altcoin season. So we're seeing these low and mid cap coins start to really go a little bit crazy. That's why it's very easy to get kind of like grappled into the state of buying and FOMOing into these meme coins. We will one day see a low price Pepe again. Right now it's quite overpriced. I'm not saying it's overvalued and that it can't go up anymore, but overall it's looking good. So what's happened is Pepe is now consolidated for an entire month, basically above 0.000019. This is becoming like a neutral area. This is becoming quite a normal region now. Big daily red candle. Currently, we might close in the red. We've still got 11 hours before this candle does close. And looking at the 4-hour time frame, we went from an overbought territory back down to these lower RSI regions. And recently, when Pepe comes down lower on this RSI, it is bouncing back and it is looking pretty good. So only time will really truly tell us what is going to happen next with this particular coin here, Pepe itself, right? It's a red day in the markets. We can't help that, but it could be potentially providing some opportunity to get in at lower prices for some of the coins that have been recently pumping. Remember, this is not financial advice at all. For Pepe lovers out there, there is another coin called Pepe Unchained, which could be worth also checking out. They've raised $64.3 million. Just a few days left until this pre-sale is finished and done and dusted. I will drop a link down below for you guys. You can also ask questions about this coin in the Discord. We have a dedicated Pepe Unchained channel here. So yeah, it says last chance to buy before major exchange listings. That could be like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days away. I don't know. It could also be things like Kraken, Robinhood, Bybit, Coinbase, Binance. I also don't know. It just says major exchanges. So if you head over to the website, research it down below. You can connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask or something, and you convert either Ethereum or Tether into your desired amount of Pepe Unchained coins. It is a layer 2 ecosystem. So it's got a DEX, Bridge, Block Explorer, staking rewards, and developers grants. You can see looking at their Twitter now, they're up to 67.4k followers, so they're growing more and more and more. Pretty much every single day, this ecosystem is getting bigger. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update video, ladies and gents. Of course, the link to Pepe Unchained is down below. Not financial advice. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose, because I don't know the future. It just looks like a very hot coin that is doing well at the moment. Pepe overall in a very, very good place. If you bought Pepe earlier this year, if you got into Pepe in January, you're up way over 10x, you're up 15x. So this just shows how strong the meme coin narrative can be. And when Pepe really started blowing up was actually in March and April. Then it cooled down again, it went back into the 3 billions. So people that got in early and bought that fear are still up a whopping 2.5x. If you're new here, subscribe. Like this video, consider becoming a patron if you want to amplify your crypto gains, and if you don't like it, we will fully refund you. This will give you opportunities for alpha calls. You're going to get straight to DEX launches, early insights on meme coins, trading signals, long and short positions, the whole lot. It's all going to be there to help you amplify your portfolio and hopefully unlock some time, location, financial freedom. I had fun making this video. I hope you also liked this video, and let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Bye for now, guys. Peace.